How to check disk and bandwidth usage in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click on the Statistics option. On the left side of this interface, you can see the disk usage. Disk usage by different services is also shown here. On the right side of this interface, you can see the traffic per month. The bandwidth usage by different services is also displayed here. Below, you can view more detailed info on FTP statistics, data transfer, and web statistics. To see data transfer details, just click on it. Now click on the view link corresponding to the domain name you want to view. Here is detailed information about usage, limit, and available bandwidth. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.